Well, I'm going to take a video of baby playing fetch with me. It's kind of a reversed one. See that rock there? That's baby's pumice rock, and the order is reversed. He likes to throw it on the floor, and then I go get it, and I give it back. Because he's up here, and then here's Beanie wants to say hi. Beanie plays with these little bears that were made out of Mount St. Helens volcanic ash ages ago. So he hasn't thrown it on the floor for me, but baby, you gonna throw the rock now? No, that's because I have the camera on. You gotta throw the rock now. You gonna throw it? No. Here, you want to throw it? Here, sweetie. Here. There, now he might. You gonna play with your rock? You want to play with your rock? Oh, come on. Do it for the audience. For me. Do it for me. We'll play fetch, baby, okay? You want to throw your rock? Here, come on. Oh, whoops. Here. You want to throw your rock? Yeah? Here, come on. Throw your rock. Oh, okay, well, he's not going to do it unless I'm over here cleaning the bird cage. I'm cleaning it now. Let's see. Will you throw your rock now? Yeah. He's starting to play with it, see? You gonna throw your rock? Baby? Baby, you gotta throw your rock. Okay. You gonna do it? Yeah, he's getting ready to throw the rock down. Are you gonna do it? Are you gonna throw your rock? Oh, silly. Come on, you gotta throw your rock. That's 'cause I'm looking. He's not gonna do it 'cause I'm looking. You gonna throw your rock for me? Do I have to quit looking? Here, I'll pretend I'm not looking and I'll hold this. No, it's silly. Oh, come on, throw your rock for us. It's so cute. Baby, it's really cute when you throw your rock. Where did it go? I see it. Oh, well, he's not going to do it. Okay.